Hello and welcome to my video resume. This is MD Sharfaraz Ahmed, having 24 years experience in the field of human resources management, administration, compliance, as well as operations management in RMG industry of Bangladesh. Still specializing in this field. As a plant head or department head, I have been working for several assignments and with the full enthusiasm and dedication. If I talk about the training, academic qualification and training, I can tell you before BBA and MBA, I passed HSC with 62% and SSC with 79% marks from the Jashore Board of Bangladesh. I have professional qualification in PGD HRM, advanced course in HRM, certified environmental system manager, CKPIP from Australia, CPP from Australia, as well at the same time I am SA8000 certified auditor. Several national and international training programs for continual developer also have been added, which have been mentioned in the full and detailed resume attached here in the website. If I talk about job experience, I can tell you about my job experience. If I talk, then after passing BBA and MBA, majoring in MIS from the Department of Management Studies, University of Dhaka, with a CGPA 3.49 and 3.44 out of 4 respectively, myself joined with Bangladesh group and worked and served for several assignments. And just after completing the internship, I joined with Pride Group, HR Textile or Pride Group, became the Association of RMG in Knitwear Manufacturers and Exporters Association, then Harvesters Limited, which is known as now Benetex Industries Limited, EJMCL, the venture of EPIC Group at Adamji EPZ under BEBJA rules and regulations, Fakir Apparels, Crony Group of several factories under this ownership, and now I am working with ES Square Group, lead platinum certified factory, the Green Factory. Starting from my career, I was assigned to work independently with a very less guidance from my senior in the field of HR, administration and compliance. Eventually, I am running with a good track record of successful performance, having responsibilities of operations as well. If I talk about the strengths and weaknesses, yes, with some strengths which I can mention as excellent prioritization of organizational activities, time management skills, detail oriented have made me different than others, able to use active listening skills and exercise sound judgment, able to work independently with effective teamwork. Taking ownership is my passion, having a skill to make sound decisions as and when required. No doubt I have some weaknesses. It is really very tough for me to accept the low quality work. Sometimes I cannot go beyond the SOP. Saying no to my any management assignment is really very tough. I have career goals, gaining experience by working in a dynamic and challenging job environment related with the business area where I am ready to apply my knowledge, creativity, ability for the accomplishment of the firm's desired objectives, and with the ultimate goal of becoming a successful pioneer in my profession by 2030, as well as to establish my own consortium, which is which should be the best in RMG industry by 2027 for the freshers as well as the ongoing executives to develop their career in this field. For detail, please visit www.smartconsortiumconsultancy.com. If I start talking on some achievement what I have done so far and achieved, so with a nice experience, I developed the whole monitoring system at BKME for its member organization and developed the compliance status in Bangladesh RMG industry. It was a great pleasure for me to achieve the first prize among the industry on fire safety management system on behalf of EPIC Group at Adamji EPZ in the year 2014 by Brand Forum and GIZ. Yeah, this is very much important to mention here. To establish the digitalized platform for the fresh graduates to get the required soft skills to manage the RMG manufacturing process and the full compliant factories in our beloved Bangladesh. Thanks.